Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we'll discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from electronics device and circuit in the year 2000. There is two lists is given, list 1 and list 2. So they ask match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer. Okay, so list 1 is given drift current, Einstein equation, diffusion current and continuity equation, and list 2 is given law of conservation of charge, electric field, thermal voltage and concentration gradient. Okay, so we have to match list 1 and list 2. First, we know that drift current is occurred due to high electric field. Okay, so at first we write drift current, it is due to electric field. Okay, so here is electric field, option 2. So this A will be electric field, due to electric field. B is Einstein equation. We know the Einstein equation is related to thermal voltage Vt, which is equal to Kt by Q equal to dN by mu n equal to dP by mu p equal to T by 11,600. Okay, remember this equation, it is very important. A lot of question is coming through from this equation. So Einstein equation related to thermal voltage. Okay, what is dN? dN is diffusion constant, dN and dP, diffusion constant dN, and I write it the same time, dN and dP is diffusion constant for electron and diffusion constant for hole. Okay, diffusion constant. And what is mu n? Mu n and mu p is mobility of electron and hole. Mu is, this is mu, mu n and mu p, mobility of electron and hole. And T is temperature in Kelvin, and K Boltzmann constant. Okay, and you all of you write this Boltzmann constant value in the comment section. And Q is the charge of electron. Q, charge of electron, right? So Einstein equation is related to thermal voltage. Option 3. See, Einstein equation is related to thermal voltage. Then diffusion current is due to concentration gradient. We know when this in junction there is concentration gradient of electron and hole, then the diffusion current will flow. Okay, so this is due to concentration gradient. So option 3 is concentration gradient 4. And now continuity equation, always remember law of conservation of charge. Another continuity equation is the another name of law of conservation of charge. So we can write law of conservation of charge, law of conservation of charge, another name is continuity equation. Okay, so option D is 1. Okay, so A match with drift current is 2, B match with Einstein equation thermal voltage 3, C match with diffusion current is concentration gradient, that is 4, and D match with 1, right? Now option A 2143, no, is not right answer. Option B 4321, no. Option C 4123, no. Option D 4341. Okay, so there is 2 4. Okay, so it will be 2. Okay, 2 3 4 1. So option D is the right answer. For that question, option D is right answer. Okay, so there is some problem in answer option, so it will be 2 2 3 4 1. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Thank you.